Hello friends, how are you? This is Bijeshwar and in this video we are going to do the exercise of chapter crying. In the previous video we have already discussed the question answers and the word meanings. So in this video we are going to do the exercise part. Crying, class 5 chapter, question answers with detailed explanation. On this channel, we are providing you free live classes also. If you are a student of any class from 1st to 12th, you can subscribe this channel. Definitely you will get benefit from this channel. So are you ready to do the question answers? Yes. The first question is here in front of you, filling the blanks with the exact feeling word. Okay, the first one is done for you like this. The tourists were dash to see the beautiful ताजमहल. जो टूरिस्ट थे, जो यात्री थे, वो ब्यूटीफुल ताजमहल को देख के क्या हुए? अमेज्ड हुए, शॉक्ड हो गए या वरीड हुए? तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी अमेज्ड टू सी द ब्यूटीफुल ताजमहल. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज द लाइट्स वेंट आउट सडनली. आई वॉज अलोन एंड. अचानक से क्या हुआ? लाइट चली गई. मैं क्या था? अकेला था. तो मुझे क्या लगेगा? वरिड, शॉक्ड और फ्राइटेंड. तो मुझे डर लगेगा. आई वॉज अलोन एंड फ्राइटेंड. तो इन दिस ब्लैंक हियर यू विल राइट फ्राइटेंड. द थर्ड वन इज ही हैज बीन इल फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम एंड हिज पेरेंट्स वर. वो क्या है? बहुत टाइम से बीमार है. तो उसके पेरेंट्स क्या हैं? अनहैप्पी हैं, वरिड हैं या एंग्री हैं? तो वो वरिड होंगे. दे विल वरिड अबाउट his health. Fourth part is the shopkeeper was dash when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. जो शॉपकीपर था, जब उसने देखा कि जो उसकी सेफ है वो खुली हुई है और जो सारा पैसा है वो क्या है? मिसिंग है. तो वो क्या होगा? अनहैप्पी होगा, शॉक्ड होगा या गुस्सा होगा? एंग्री होगा. So the shopkeeper was shocked when he saw his safe wide open and with all his money missing. Now we move to the next question. I hope this one is clear to you. Say aloud. This you have to pronounce these words. Repeat after me. Dash, bash, splash, cash, trash. Steer, tear, clear, dear, dear. Shower, power, tower, flower, mower. Poked, croaked, soaked, stroked, joked. Wept, capped, crept, leaped, slept. So these all words you have to say aloud. Now move to the next part. The word happiness. Here you can see the word happiness is written in which ends with N-E-S-S, ness, and comes from the word happy. Okay, write three words that end in the same way. So what you have to do is you have to write three words which end with ness. Like I have shown you here, softness, you can write softness, neatness, weakness, or you can write goodness, or you can write kindness, or you can write politeness. Like this you can make many words which end with word ness. I hope it is very clear and easy. Now move to the next part, the question and answers. The first question is where do you cry? Okay, you can write anything where you cry. Like where do you cry? You can write it like this: I cry in bathroom. What are the things that make you cry? Okay, कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपको रुलाती हैं? What are the things that make you cry? तो फर्स्ट वन you can write it like this: when parents or teachers scold me. जब मेरे मम्मी पापा या जो मेरे टीचर्स हैं वो मुझे डांटते हैं तो मुझे क्या होता है, रोना आता है। दूसरा यू कैन राइट व्हेन आई हर्ट, जब मुझे चोट लग जाती है तो मैं रोता हूँ, ठीक है ना। थर्ड वन यू कैन राइट व्हाट आर द थिंग दैट मेक यू क्राई, व्हेन आई एम सैड, जब मैं दुखी होता हूँ तो मैं रोता हूँ, ओके। और you can write any other point which you like which make you cry, you can write on your own also. This is just some sample answers, you can write your own also, okay, there is no problem at all. The second one is can you cry when you are happy, क्या तुम रो सकते हो जब आप खुश हो, when you are happy? No, so the answer is no. No, I can't cry when I am happy, simple. The third one is which are the things that make you happy, ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपको खुश करती हैं। तो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हो सकती हैं, व्हेन आई गेट गुड मार्क्स, जब मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं तो मैं खुश होता हूँ, आई बिकम हैप्पी। व्हेन आई प्ले विद फ्रेंड्स, जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलता हूँ, व्हेन आई प्ले विद फ्रेंड्स आई आई बिकम हैप्पी, इट मेक मी हैप्पी। एंड द थर्ड वन इज व्हेन आई गेट न्यू टॉयज और ड्रेसेस, okay, you can write anything which make you happy, like when my mother prepare the food which I like, then that makes me happy, or anything when my father do anything which I like, so that make me happy. So you can write anything that make you happy. This is just the sample answers to help you how to write the answers. No need to copy the exact answers. I'm telling you again and again, you can write on your own, which makes your writing practice also. This is just helping how to frame the sentences. In what way do you show your happiness, okay, in what way, किस तरीके से आप अपनी खुशी को जाहिर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो आप लिख सकते हो जब आप खुश होते हो तो यू कैन लाफ, लाफिंग, ठीक है ना, लाफ, और बाय हेल्पिंग अदर्स, हेल्प, हेल्प करते हैं हम जब हम खुश होते हैं। और यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग विच यू लाइक, ठीक है, जब आप खुश होते हो। नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. So this much we have in this video. We have covered the all the exercise part of the crying chapter, and this is the third video of crying. The two videos which covered the word meaning and detailed explanation of the chapter. So if you have not watched those videos, you can go on the channel and watch those videos also. If you have not subscribed this channel, then please do subscribe this channel. CBSE Explosion will definitely help you out in making or learning new things. And this is Vijeshwar signing off. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.